So I wanted to show you guys this. All of my laptop stickers came in yesterday from Redbubble, and basically I ordered literally all kinds, and if you order like over 10 you get 50% off. So each one was like a few dollars, and the 50% off kind of made each one like $2 or so. So yeah, I picked out a bunch of them and I just think they're so cute. I have like some like traveling ones, some nursing ones, some mom life, some ones about like school, and like I really love these so much. I actually got a new mouse yesterday too, but I'm gonna show you guys the inside of it as well. I ended up ordering too many, so I had to put a couple on the inside, and then I actually still have one left. That was the New York City one that I ordered. But I got this little heart here, which I thought was so cool for like nursing school, which is kind of bubbled up a little bit. And then I got this New York City skyline one, and then the sticker that says "Let's go everywhere." So I think those are so cute, and I'm seriously in love. I just feel like this is gonna help me like have motivation to like study more and just like be on my laptop for like school. I don't know, that might sound so weird, but like I'm so excited for these stickers. They're so cute. Good morning. You have some wild hair this morning. Did you sleep in? Did you sleep in? What do you have? Mommy have it. Say morning.
Mama.
You're so cute.
Mama.
What, baby? Huh? We have a big day today, you know it? You know it? Is that funny? You want a papa?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want in your What do you want in your baba? Hey, what do you want in your baba?
That.
What?
That.
That. What? Juice? Is it juice? Dance. So Baylee's watching some TV, and I'm about to start studying for a test that I have to go to the college to take today. I have to find where I put it. Okay, so I have to study this PowerPoint. It's currently like 10 o'clock right now, and I have so much to do today. I have to study this, take a test on it at the college on campus. It's not online this time, even though this is my online class. I also have to go grocery shopping for my granny and for us, kind of, and Baylee needs some diapers. So today I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for a day in my life. Today is a very busy day. Like I said, I have to go grocery shopping for my granny, some for us, Baylee some like diapers and stuff. You're gonna break those, baby. We just got back last night from Knoxville. We were there all weekend at UT. And then later this evening, my mom is having me kind of like a little birthday party type thing, because we were in New York on my birthday and we didn't get to do anything with family. So all that's going down today. Right now I have to go get Baylee some breakfast and myself some breakfast and get to studying, because I'm running out of time. I don't think I have to be there at a certain time or anything. I just have to go to like the testing center, but I really don't want to. There you go. So look good? Look good? There you go, baby. You can turn around if you want to. So I'm having the same thing and gonna study some while that Baylee eats hers and watches some TV. Also, we're cleaning the house. This week, on Tuesday, we're just dedicating the whole day after I get off work to cleaning the house, I mean. So, I did clean up the living room a little, but it's still really messy, so yeah. You sleepy baby. You sleepy. Hi. Oh goodness. So I have decided that I'm not going to take my test today at the college just because I thought it was due today, but I actually have a little bit longer to do it. So I'm gonna wait and do it a day that I have a little bit more time because my schedule is looking pretty long today. What's wrong with it? It's empty? Is it empty? Okay, you want some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you putting your Fruit Loops on a plate? Oh, you have wild hair, you know? What are you doing? You're crazy. Let's see your outfit. Oh, pretty sweatshirt. We gotta get your boots or maybe some different shoes because it looks like it's gonna be warm today. Wow, good job. So me and Baylee are both ready. I'm gonna go make some coffee and then we're gonna head out and get this day started. This is today's fit. It really honestly doesn't even match, but who even cares anymore? And then we have a ponytail. Also a mess in here, and then we're not even gonna talk about in there. Honestly, I don't even know where like all this stuff came from. I mean, like this stuff is mail and then this picture fell over. But like the rest of this stuff, like I don't even know, honestly. Seth needs to go through this because most of it's for him. And then this cute little picture fell over. Don't know where this came from. So I think all this came from the light that broke. So yeah, that's where all that came from. Baylee, no, mommy's getting coffee, baby. So basically we need to get a new light because this is literally all that's left of it. So yeah, we're going light shopping soon. Baylee, no, baby. I told Baylee to back up and she literally goes and sits over there. Okay, we need more water. Okay, finally. So we're heading out. It's pretty cold out, so we got our jackets on. Ready to go? Okay. Yay! We're heading out right now. We're going to my granny's first, and then I'll probably head to the store and everything that needs to be done today. So yeah, just stay tuned. So me and Baylee are heading out. We're heading to my granny's right now, and we have a big day. I didn't even bring my to-do list either, so I just went and picked up my glasses, and now I'm heading to Walmart. So this is what they look like. They're a little odd and different than what I'd usually get, but I think they're really cute. So yeah. It's currently a lot later now. I kind of forgot to do the rest of my vlog this evening, but I did go to the grocery store and then we had my little birthday party at my mom's. But I did get a Grove order in, so I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got and do a really quick unboxing for you guys. So I just got a few things. It's just like the monthly subscription thing that you do when you're like a member of Grove. So I got this little spring book that they have. I got the like 4-set spring scent like set of stuff. So I got this mint hand soap, which is one of my favorites. Actually, the mint is probably my favorite scent of all. So I got the hand soap. I got the room freshener, which I've never tried the room freshener, so I'm really excited to use this one because me and Seth plan on cleaning the whole house tomorrow, so I'm really excited to use that. And then I have the mint scent dish soap, and then also the multi-purpose cleaner spray. So I'm really excited to use all this stuff and I wanted to show you guys.